So children, welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are very good, right? So children, as you all know that our chapter number, yes, 15 is going on, that is air, water and weather, right? So let's recapitulate the whole chapter today and then we'll do a revision test, okay? So let's start it. So children, as we all know that air is all around us, right? हमारे चारों तरफ क्या है? Air है, right? And air contains different gases like water vapor, dust, germs and smoke, right? एयर के अंदर बहुत सारी गैसेस होती हैं जैसे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, ऑक्सीजन है, नाइट्रोजन है, yes, and it contains water vapor also, and it contains dust and germs also, and smoke also, yes, smoke from factories, from houses, air is containing, yes. Next is that water exists in three forms. Water exists in three forms, that is liquid, solid and gas, right? Liquid, water. Liquid जो form होता है वो water का liquid होता है, and gaseous form is water vapor and ice is the solid form, right? In nature, water changes to water vapor. Yes, nature में water changes किससे होता है? Water vapor में हो जाता है, and then it cools down and comes down as rain. And this whole process is called as the water cycle. Yes, what is water cycle? In nature, water changes to water vapor which cools and comes down as rain, right? And this is called the water vapor. Yes, a breeze, gale and a storm are kinds of wind. Yes, a gentle wind is called breeze, and a strong wind is called as gale, and a strong wind with rain is known as a storm. Yes, and then we have learnt about seasons. Yes, in India we have three main seasons, right? If we see here, we have three main seasons: summer seasons, rainy season and winter season. And we used to wear different kind of clothes, we used to eat different kind of foods in all the different seasons. Yes, according to season we are dressing up and we are using things to eat. Okay, so according to season only, like in summer season we used to eat watermelon, we used to eat fruits, we used to eat many light things, okay. But in winter we used to eat very hot things like soup, like very hot food, okay, because if the dish is cold then also we used to avoid eating it as we will not like eating, yes, as we will not like eating it. Yes, so that is why we should always eat hot food during winters. Yes, to keep ourselves warm and to keep ourselves fit and to not become sick, we have to take care of these things. Yes, and in rainy season we have to be very careful because there are pets and small muddy pools are there on roads, so that is why we have to be very careful while walking in rainy season. Yes, and we have to wear raincoats, we have to use umbrella during rainy season. Yes children, okay, so this is what we have studied, and after that we have studied about that clothes and eat different kinds of food in different seasons. Yes, so that is all we have read, and after that we have done these exercises. Okay, so we have done these multiple choice questions, and after that we have done this name the following and then fill in the blanks, and then we have done this picture based question also, right? So now we are going to discuss life skills question. Okay, so here life skill question is given, that is reusing water. Yes, reusing water, how you can reuse water. Water is very precious, we all know that water is really very precious, right? So it is very important to save it, and water can be reused मतलब हम दोबारा उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं in many ways. Like water used to wash vegetables, fruits and rice can be used to water the plants, है ना. मम्मा जो किचन में वाटर यूज़ करती हैं वेजिटेबल्स वॉश करने के लिए, फ्रूट्स वॉश करने के लिए, राइस वॉश करने के लिए. सो शी कैन पोर दैट वाटर इन प्लांट्स, है ना. अगर आपके घर में किचन गार्डन है तो आप वो वाला पानी अपने गार्डन में डाल सकते हो. यस. थिंक ऑफ अदर वेज टू रीयूज़ वाटर. अब आप मुझे अदर वेज बताइए, किन अदर वेज में हम वाटर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यस. सो आई थिंक दैट देयर आर मैनी वेज इन विच वी कैन रीयूज़ वाटर, right? So there are many things. Now you have to think upon it and you have to tell me your answers in your comment section. Okay. In comment section you can write the answers that how we can reuse the water. Yes, we can reuse water of RO, है ना. Like in my house RO is here, and what we are doing, we are just putting RO water in a bucket. Okay, later on we can use that bucket water in gardening the plants. Yes, in watering the plants, in washing clothes, or in washing utensils, or we can use it for mopping also. Yes, so we can use it in many things. Yes, many purposes we can use. Even you can reuse the water of washing machine also. As you all know that washing machine is taking so much of water. Yeah, right. So whenever you are putting it on a draining mode, you can just put some bucket or some kind of tub or something from where the water is going. Yes, from there you can collect the water in bucket and any in tub or any utensil, and then you can reuse that water in washing the floor, or you can use that water in washrooms. Yes, for cleaning the washrooms and all, you can reuse that water. So in this way we can reuse the water. Okay, so this is the thing that we have learned from this chapter, that we should always try to reuse the water whenever and whenever it is possible. Yes, whenever and however it is possible, we can use that water. Okay, so now I am giving you a small test, and that test you have to do. Okay, let's do. And first of all we will write revision test, and we'll write here date. Okay, today's date is, yes, today is 20 November 2020, right? Then we'll write first question, state true or false. Okay, so what is our first question? First question is water vapor cools down to form gas. So water vapor जब ठंडे होते हैं तो गैस बनती है? No, this statement is false, right? Now see next one, harmful gases pollute the air. Yes, of course, harmful gases से क्या होता है? एयर में पॉल्यूशन होता है. So this is true, right? Now next is breathing in polluted air will make us healthy. Will make you healthy. जब हम polluted air में breathe करेंगे तो हम healthy हो जाएंगे? No, we may fall sick. So this statement is false. Okay, got the answers? Water vapor cools down to form gas? False. Harmful gases pollute the air? True. Breathing in polluted air will make us healthy, will make you healthy? False, right? Now let's see the next question. Next question is fill in the blanks. Okay, we can change water to ice by. वाटर को हम आइस में चेंज कैसे करते हैं? फ्रिज में रख के. फ्रिज में क्या होती है? फ्रीजिंग. यस, फ्रीजिंग. एयर इज मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल. एयर किससे बनी है? सेवरल गैसेस से बनी है. ओके, एयर इज मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल गैसेस. ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड एनिमल्स ब्रीथ इन. सारे ह्यूमन बींग्स और एनिमल्स जो हैं वो क्या करते हैं? ब्रीथ इन. कौन सी गैस करते हैं? Yes, we all breathe in oxygen, right? Got it? We all breathe in oxygen, right? So air is made up of several gases. All human beings and animals breathe in oxygen, and we can change water to ice by freezing, right? So these are the answers. Okay, our last question is answer these questions. Okay, so how does water change its form? Water changes to vapor on heating and changes to ice on freezing. Yes, water can change its form on heating and on freezing, right? On heating it converts into vapor, and on freezing it converts into ice. Yes. Okay, so how does water change its form? Water changes to vapor on heating and changes to ice on freezing, right? Now next question is, what are the factors that affect the weather of a place? है ना, कौन से factors हैं जो weather of a place को affect करते हैं? The weather of a place depends on the sun, air and water, right? वेदर जो एक जगह का वेदर होता है वो किस पे डिपेंड करता है? वो डिपेंड करता है सन, एयर एंड वाटर पे, राइट? यही वो फैक्टर्स हैं जिन पर किसी भी जगह का वेदर जो है वो डिपेंड करता है. यस, ओके, क्लियर. क्वेश्चन इज नेम द 3 गैसेस प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. ओके, 3 गैसेस के आपको नेम बताने हैं जो एयर में प्रेजेंट होती हैं. सो दीज 3 गैसेस आर नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, राइट? The 3 gases that are present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, right? First answer is water changes to vapor on heating and changes to ice on freezing. Second answer is the weather of a place depends on the sun, air and water. And the third answer is the 3 gases that are present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay children, clear? So I hope you are able to do this revision test. So do it on your own. You have to see your assignment and then you have to write your answers after learning and after practicing. Okay, stay home, stay safe, take very good care of yourself children. Okay, God bless you all.